You look like you be the best slash worst one night stand ever. Best because the probably fire. Probably good. Worst because you literally can't stand up.
I got that cerebral palsy Grippy though. You look like your superhero name is Smoke Detector the Neglector.
You look like something your mom should have left at the fire department.
You look like a Foot Locker mannequin that wanted to be a real boy.
You look like your leg said, this shit, we done.
You look like everybody hates Chris.
You look like you could never do no shit like this.